thanks for joining us again. Patty, let's talk about overpayment of child support. Is this something you've dealt with?
Surprisingly, yes. And I'm sure everybody out there listening is thinking, who overpays their child support? And it does happen. I've actually had a few cases where the non-custodial parent or the obligor parent, the parent that has to pay child support, has overpaid his or her child support. Now, what's interesting in the state of Georgia and in most states, if you overpay your child support, you're not entitled to a credit against future child support payments. So let's say, for instance, you and I have a child together, and I'm paying you child support. And, things are going well.
Wait, you're paying me child support? Okay, cool. I'm good.
Kid.
I'm good with that.
Poor kid. So I'm paying you child support. Things are going well. I'm doing financially well. So I'm paying you extra child support. And then let's say the tide turns and things aren't going so well. And I'm like, well, wait a second, Jimmy. I overpaid last year. So you know what? I shouldn't have to pay as much this year. I can't do that. Not under Georgia law. Under Georgia law, I'm not entitled to a credit of that overpayment of child support. And that's pretty well settled law in the state of Georgia. And I've even had clients that have come to me who have done that very thing, because financially things are going well, they've overpaid their child support. And unfortunately, there's no way to get that money back.
Now, Patty, what if two parties agree to do sort of a lump sum payment in advance? Is that something that's allowable?
It is allowable, but it has to be written up in an agreement, and it has to be, contemplated. It has to be justified. There has to be a rational basis within the child support guidelines in the law of Georgia in order to do that. But you can do that, and I have done that in cases, so that is certainly a possibility. So if you or somebody you know is having child support issues, overpaying their child support, underpaying their child support, want to do a lump sum of their child support, call us at Shewmaker and Lewis and let's talk about your options.